A brutal snowstorm hit New York on Thursday, November 8, 2012. Already helping with disaster relief efforts due to Hurricane Sandy, the 747 Military Police Company from the Massachusetts Army National Guard was right on time in Far Rockaway, New York, delivering supplies to those in need.
We will be distributing some food and supplies to all the people, residents of the Redfern housing development, as well as all of Far Rockaway. I'm sure the people of Redfern and Far Rockaway has been, from what I hear, they've been thrilled having the National Guard out here. So it's my pleasure, and an honor for me to be able to work with the National Guard and at least doing my part, whatever I can to help out the people.
Alongside local volunteers and the Powell Community Center staff, the 747 MPs handed out a total of 80 cases of water, 75 cases of food, and 1,450 blankets, along with other donated supplies like baby food, diapers, cleaning supplies, and toiletries. Reporting live from Far Rockaway, New York, I'm Army Sergeant Alicia Jarman, 65th Public Affairs Operations Center, voice of the nation's first.